press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
We know that root 1 is 1, root 4 is 2, root 9 is 3, root 16 is 4, root 25 is equals to 5 and so on. Observe that if a unit place digit is 1, here 1 is in the units place and in 81 also 1 is in the units place. This means if unit digit is 1, then the possible unit digit of square root of a number is 1 or 9. 1 or 9. Similarly, here 4 is in the units place and in 64 also 4 is in the units place. Then the possible unit of a square root of a number may be 2 or 9. If 4 is in the units place, then the possible unit digit of a square root of a number is 2 or 8. 2 or 8. If the units place digit is 9, then the possible unit digit of a square root of a number may be 3 or 7. 3 or 7. Likewise, if 6 is in the units place, if 6 is in the units place, then the possible unit digit of a square root of a number may be 4 or 6. 4 or 6. If 5 is in the units place, then the possible unit digit of a square root of a number is 5. If it is 0, then it is 0. ಏನಿದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ 1 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ 1 ಆರ್ 9. ಇಫ್ 4 is in the unit place, then its possible square root may be 2 or 8. Similarly, if 9 is in the units place, then the possible square roots are 3 or 7. If 6 is in the units place, 4 or 6. If 5 is in the units place, then 5 comes in the unit digit of a square root of a number. ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಇಫ್ ಅ ನಂಬರ್ 2, 3, 7 and 8 comes in the units place, then it is not a perfect square ಅಂತ. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ? 2, 3, 7 and 8. If 2, 3, 7 and 8 numbers comes in the unit place, then those numbers are not perfect squares. Exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3. First main, what could be the possible ones digit of a square root of each of the following numbers? ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಅದರದ್ದು ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಇದರದ್ದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ಸಿನ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ 1 is in the units place, ಅವ್ರ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ, ಹಿಯರ್ 1 is in the units place, then the possible square roots of a numbers are 1 or 9. 1 or 9. Here 6 is in the units place, then the possible square root of a numbers are 3 or 7. Sorry, 6 alva. Then the possible roots are 4 or 6. 4 or 6. Here again 1 is there. If 1 is in the units place, then the possible unit digit are 1 or 9. Here 5 is in the units place, then the possible square root of a number is 5. So first ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ದೆನ್ ದ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 1 or 9. ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದು. ಇಫ್ 6 is in the units place then the possible numbers are 4 or 6. If 1 is in the units place then the possible numbers are 1 or 9. Next one. Without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not perfect squares. Calculation ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದೇನೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಹೌದೋ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. We have said that if the numbers 2, 3, 7 and 8 occurs in one's digit place, then those numbers are not perfect squares. The numbers 2, 3, 7 and 8, if these numbers exist in one's place, then those numbers are not perfect squares. So, illi 153, 3 is in the units place, so this is not a perfect square number. 7 is in the units place, then this is also not a perfect square. 8 is in the units place, then this is also not a perfect square. 1 is in the units place, it may be a perfect square. So 2, 3, 7 and 8 units place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ those numbers are not perfect squares ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ may be or may not be the perfect squares. Next one. Find the square roots of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. Method of repeated subtraction anta helidre enanta helidvi, first consider the successive odd numbers. 100 ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, 169 is homework. First, successive odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 and so on are the successive odd numbers. Repeated subtraction ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಏನು, odd numbers ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. 100 ಇದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 100 ಮೈನಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ 1, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 99. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. 99 ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ 3, 99 minus 3 is 96. Again repeat this step. 96 minus next odd number is 5, that is equals to 91. Next 91 minus 7 is equals to 84. Next odd number 84 minus 9 is equals to 75. Again repeat this step. 75 minus next odd number is 11. 75 minus 11 is equals to 64. Again 64 minus next odd number is 13 is equals to 51. 51 minus 17 is equals to 13. Next odd number is 15. 51 minus 15 is equals to 36. Again 36 minus next 17 is equals to 19. Similarly, 19 minus 19 is equals to 0. We repeat the step until we get the answer as 0. So first 100 minus first odd number 1 is equals to 99. Again 99 minus next odd number is 3, that is 96. 96 minus 5 is equals to 91. 91 minus 7 is equals to 84. 84 minus 9 is 75. We are repeating this step until we are getting the number 0. So ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಥರ್ಡ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್, ಫಿಫ್ತ್, ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್, ಸೆವೆಂತ್, ಏಯ್ಟ್, ನೈನ್ತ್ and 10th step. In the 10th step, we are getting the answer 0. Therefore, root 100 is equals to 10. So, root 100 is equals to 10. Similarly, 169 ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ 13th step ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 169 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So, root 169 is equals to 13. 169 minus 1, next answer 168 minus 3, ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸನ್ನ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ 13th ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 169 is equals to 13. Next main, find the square roots of the following numbers by the prime factorization method. Fourth main, first one 729. Find the square roots of the following by prime factorization method. What are prime numbers? The numbers which are divided by 1 itself are known as prime numbers. So prime factorization use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. 729. Here in units place 9 is the number, so 2 in the divide agalla. Check from 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 12 ಆಯಿತು, 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. Again 3 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Again 3 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 2s are 6, 2 21, 3 7s are 21. Again 3 3 9s are 27. Next 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Therefore, root of 729 is equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Next step is make the pair of similar numbers. Similar numbers ಗಳನ್ನ pair ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. And next, take out one factor from each of these pairs. 3 into, only one factor we are taking, into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Therefore, root of 729 is equals to 27. First ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ 9. ಸೊ 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. 3 2s are 6, 12 ಆಯಿತು, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. ಅಗೇನ್ 3 ಇಂದ 3 8s are 24, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಉಳಿತು, 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. Again 3 ಇಂದ 3 2s are 6, 21, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Next 3 into 3, 3 into 3 and 3 into 3. Make the pair of similar numbers. 3 into 3 one pair, 3 into 3 one pair and 3 into 3 is one pair. Next step is to take out one factor from each of these pairs and then multiply those numbers. 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. Therefore, root of 729 is 27. Next one, 96. Here the unit place number is even number, that is 6. So we can divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 4s are 8 and 1 it becomes 16, 2 8s are 16. Again 2, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Again 2, 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 it becomes 11, 2 5s are 10, 1 it becomes 12, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 in the, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 it becomes 16, 2 8s are 16. Again 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Next continue this. ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 1s are 2, it becomes 12, 2 6s are 12. Next 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and next 2 1s are 2. So ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. 2 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 4s are 8, 1 16, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 1 ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Next 32, 2 1s are 2, next 12, 2 6 are 12. Again 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 2 2s are. Next root of 4096 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, next 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, next 2 into 2 and last pair 2 into 2. Make the pair of similar numbers, first pair, second pair, third, fourth, fifth and sixth pairs. Next take out one factor from each of these pairs. From this 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 into 2 is 64. The root of 4096 is 64. So factorization ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. Next we are making the similar pair of similar numbers. So ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ next take out one factor from each of these pairs. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Multiply those numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 into 2 is 64. Root of 4096 is 64. Next one 9604. Is in the units place, so we can divide it by 2. 2 4s are 8, 1 16, 2 8s are 16, 0, 2 2s are 4. Again 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 0, 2 1s are 2. 1 is in the units place, so we cannot divide this by 2. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 7 ಇಂದ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ 3 ಇಂದ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ. 3 ಇಂದ ಆದರೆ 3 8 ಜಾ 24, 0 1 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬೈ 7, 7 3 ಜಾ 21, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಉಳಿತು 30, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 7 4 ಜಾ 28, ಅಗೇನ್ 2, 7 3 ಜಾ 21, ಅಗೇನ್ 7 ಇಂದ 7 4 ಜಾ 28, 6 63, 7 9 ಜಾ 63. ಸೊ 7 7 ಜಾ 49, 7 1 ಜಾ 7. 2 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. 2 4 ಜಾ 8, 1 16, 2 8 ಜಾ 16, 0 2 2 ಜಾ 4, ಅಗೇನ್ 2 ಇಂದ 2 2 ಜಾ 4, 2 4 ಜಾ 8, 0 2 1 ಜಾ 2. So here 1 is in the units place. We cannot divide this by 2 or 3. So we have taken the number 7. 7 3 ಜಾ 21, 3 ಆಯಿತು 30, 7 4 ಜಾ 28, ಅಗೇನ್ 2 21, 7 3 ಜಾ 21, ಅಗೇನ್ 7 ಇಂದ 7 4 ಜಾ 28, 63 ಆಯಿತು, 7 9 ಜಾ 63, 7 7 ಜಾ 49 and 7 1 ಜಾ 7. So root of 9064 is equals to 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Next, make the pair of similar numbers. Next step is to take out one factor from each of this space. 2 into 7 into 7. Next, seven 2 7s are 14, 14 7s are 98. Therefore, square root of 9604 is 98. So first prime factorization ಮಾಡಿ, next ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಸೇಮ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಒನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಈಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್. 2 7s are 14 and 14 7s are 98. So next one 5929. Here 9 is in the units place, so we can divide this by 3 or 7. If in case 3 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 1s are 3, 2 ಆಯಿತು 29, next 3 9s are 27, again 2, 3 7s are 21, 19 ಆಗೋಯಿತು. So 19 cannot be divided by 3, so let's check for 7. 7 8s are 56, 32 ಆಯಿತು, 7 4s are 28, next 4 7 7s are 49, again 7 ಇಂದ 7 1s are 7, 14, 7 2s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. 121 is a perfect square of 11 and 11 is also a prime number, so 11 11s are 121. Therefore, root of 5929 is equals to 7 into 7 into 11 into 11. Next, take out one factor from each of this space, 7 into 11, that is equals to 77. Therefore, root of 5929 is equals to 77. So prime numbers ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. 7 8s are 56, 32 ಆಯಿತು, 7 4s are 28, 49, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7, 1 ಆಯಿತು 14, 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7 and 121 is a perfect square of 11 and 11 is a prime number, 11 11s are 121. Next, root of 5929 is equals to 7 into 7 into 11 into 11. Make the pair of similar numbers. Next, take out one factor from each of these pairs. 7 into 11 is 77. Next one, 529. So 9 is in the units place. (529). We know that 13 into 13 is 169. So, and we also note that if 3 is in the units place, then the 9 should be, so then 9 must be comes in the units place. How the? So 13 into 13 is 169. So next, if we check for 23 into 23, that is equals to 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. 9, 6 plus 6 is 12, 4 plus 1 is 529. So the 23 is perfect square of 529 and 23 is also a prime factor. So we can directly write 23 into 23. 23 23s are 529. So the root of 529 is equals to 23 into 23. Similar numbers in a pair ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯಿತು. One factor from this pair, that is 23. Root of 529 is equals to 23. Next one. (8,100). From 2, 2 4s are 8, next time 2 5s are 10, 0. Again 2 in the 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Find the units place. So we can divide this by 5. 5 4s are 20, remain 25, 5 5s are 25. Again find the 5 9s are 45. 9 can be divided by 3, so 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So the root of 8,100 is equals to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. Next, take out one factor from each of these pairs, that is 2 into 5 into 3, that is equals to 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Root of 8,100 is 30. First 2 in the 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 0. Again 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 10 ಆಯಿತು, 2 5s are 10. Again find the 2 4s are 20, 25 ಆಯಿತು, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 9s are 45, 3 3s are 99, 3 1s are 3. 2 into 2, 5 into 5, 3 into 3. Make the pair of similar numbers and then take out one factor from each of these pairs. 2 5s are 10 and 5 3, sorry, 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Next one. (7,744). 7,744. 4 is in the units place, so we can divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6, again 1, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 in the 2 1s are 2, 1 18, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 1 2 6 are 12. Again 2, 2 9s are 18, 13 2, 2 6 are 12 and 2 8s are 16. Again 2, 2 4s are 8, 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 1 sorry 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. Again 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 121 is a perfect square of 11. So 11 11s are 121. Root of 7744 is equals to 2 into 2. We are making the pair of similar numbers. Next 2 into 2. Next 2 into 2 into 11 into 11. Next, take out one factor from each of this space. 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. That is equals to 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 into 11 is 88. Root of 7744 is 88. Next one. You can check this by 5 or even 2. So 2 in the matta hodre 2 twos are 4 and 0 0. Again 2 2 ones are 0 0. 2 fives are 10 0. 2 twos are 4 1. 2 fives are 10. So 25. 5 fives are 25. 5 ones are 5. So root of 400 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Next 5 into 5. Next step is to take out one factor from each of these numbers. 2 into 2 into 5. That is equals to 2 twos are 4, 4 fives are 20. Root of 400 is 20. Next one is 1764. 1764. 4 is in the units place. So we can divide this by 2. 2 8s are 16. 1. Again 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4. Again from 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 441. If we divide this by 3. 3 1s are 3. 14. 3 7s are 14. So 1 uliyate. So 3 inda divide agalla. Next 7 ಆದರೆ 7 6 are 42. 2 ಆಯಿತು 7 3s are 21. Again 7 ಇಂದ 7 9s are 63. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Next, root of 1764 is equals to 2 into 2, 7 into 7, 3 into 3. Take out one factor from each of this. 2 into 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21. 21 into 2, 42. So the root of 1764 is 42. First 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ 2 8 ದ 16, 1 16, 2 8 ದ 16, 2 2 ಸ 4, ಅಗೇನ್ 2 ಇಂದ 2 4 ಸ 8, 2 4 ಸ 8, 2 1 ಸ 2, ಅಗೇನ್ 7 ಇಂದ 7 6 ಸ 42, 2 ಉಳಿತು 21, 7 3 ಸ 21. Next 7 9 ಸ 63, 3 3 ಸ 9, 3 1 ಸ 3. Next multiply this 2 into 2, 7 into 7, 3 into 3, make the pairs of similar numbers. Next take out one factor from each of these pairs. 2 into 7 into 3, 40, 2 7s are 14, 14 3s are 42. So in the next class, we'll continue the exercise 6.3. Thank you.